Hi guys, it's Eddie on Eddie's Little Bites, and today we're making Funfetti cake! And remember to subscribe if you like what you're seeing. Now we add the whole bag of cake batter from our Funfetti cake mix and pour it into this bowl. There. Oh, you can see there's sprinkles in there.
Mm-hmm.
And you should see our frosting. After you put the 1 cup of water in, then you can add it to your mix. Remember to be careful like I didn't do in the rice pudding video with the rice. You have to be careful. Oh, the sprinkles! Sprinkles stay up! Now we add a 1/2 cup of oil, baking oil. Got it. Now we add 3 eggs. I'm a baby chick. Don't crack my shell. Don't crack it. No. You just cracked my shell. No. Now we mix until it's good.
And this is the first time you're using a hand mixer, isn't it?
Ready?
And we would suggest you going on to
Medium speed.
5.
Okay.
3, 4, 5.
You see?
Wow, I
Now
mean,
move it. Yep, you move it around the pan,
Okay.
around the bowl.
am I getting it?
You are getting.
Can I try it?
You got it. You have control.
Now we bottom up the bottom of this pan with
Flour.
flour. I'm gonna do the same.
Okay, pour some of it in. All right. I'll show you what we do. Okay. Ready?
Ooh, yeah.
See?
Can I do?
You can, see? Don't tip it too far. Just, there you go. Tip it. Yep, good job.
This is what it looks like when the bottom is floured. Now we pour the cake mix into the bowl we just floured. Woo! Whoop. Now we put it in a 353 degrees oven.
Close enough.
Yeah.
Until it's
Good.
ready.
Ready.
And do you do this?
No, ask your parent for help. Now we are gonna start making this frosting, and we need to start it off, but a 1/2 stick of butter and 1/2 cup of shortening.
It's a whole stick of butter, right? You gotta put that
Whole stick
thing
of butter and
Okay.
1/2 cup of shortening.
It's soft, bud, so careful.
Now we use the spoon and dig this into the mixing bowl. Now we add some vanilla.
Perfect.
Now we sift 4 cups of sugar.
And powdered sugar, right?
Yep, powdered sugar. Now we add 2 cups of milk
Just go straight up. There you go. Perfect.
because Valentine's Day is coming. Mama Bites is cutting the cake into a heart shape.
This is taking too long, so that's never that easy. What do you think?
Turned out so beautiful. I had to continue.
Now we put the sprinkles on the cake. If you don't want to do it, you don't. Here's our final product.
It actually looks like a...
Cake! It's a heart cake. Now I'm gonna try the cake. Oop. It's super good because the frosting gives it a good taste for the inside. It doesn't taste like the store kind of cake though. It's our homemade kind of cake. Subscribe and ring that bell. Ding! And comment where you want us to go next, or to play with, or to bake. And remember to enjoy every little bite. Bye!